Hello everyone, welcome to the Nilesh technology. So in this video we are going to discuss about the button click event. So how to do the any kind of event in a ReactJS. So it's a very interesting video, but before that I already asked one question, interview related question on previous video. So the question is like, can we combine the both framework means that Angular framework and React in a one project? So the answer is yes. So both are the front-end framework, then how we can combine in a one project? Because Angular is a framework and React is a library. So we can combine the any library to the any framework easily. So that's the answer. Okay, so let's go to the let's continue to this current video. So in this video, first we see the one example of the button. Okay, so let me open the VS Code. So these three projects we already created. Let me create a new folder, 5.button click. Okay, and let me copy everything from the first tab to the button click. Let me go to the cd 5.button click. So first we hit the command npm I or npm install to install the all kinds of libraries defined in a package.json. So this is the default libraries. Okay, so after getting some time, so that application is ready to use. So yeah, so in button click we are just testing how the button component is work in a React. We are also used to print the variable names as well. We print the message on alert dialog box or console box as well. Okay, so that is ready. Now npm start to start the server. Okay, so it's get started. Fine. Inspect. There is no error. Let me show you one thing. Go to the Google and install the one more extension like the React extension or the React developer tool. Okay, so click on that first link. So I am just showing you on the Google Chrome. Okay, so in that Google Chrome, so this React developer tool is open and here is the button. You got the install. So after getting the install, you will get the button remove from Chrome. Okay, so that tool is already installed in my browser, so that's why it shows the remove from Chrome button. So after installing, reopen the browser, and after running the server, you will get this menu like the components, this one. Okay, or React. So whatever the component we have to use in the application, we can see in easily in here how they are internally work. Okay, so it's okay. Now we are not required to use it. So in upcoming videos we need to show it how the components are internally pass the data, or how on which component is rendered it properly. So for that reason we need to install that the React developer tools. Okay, fine. Now that application is ready. Now let me go to the src section app.js. So here we return the one hello message. Let me bind this message into one, and here I just add a one button, click me, and bind these two statement, either the React fragment or div tag. So now I use the React fragment. So this click me button is there. So when you click on that button, I want to trigger the one event. Okay, so for that event, let me add one function here. For example, this is my function, for example test, and inside that function I use a one alert. Okay, so function call, and here in button I use the on click event, and inside that I just call the test function. This test function I called inside in here. On click means that when we click on that button, then we trigger one event, so that event name is that on click. Then on that time the test function is executed. So inside this function we just pass one alert message. So let's test it. Control S to save. Go to here, click me, so the function call. So that box is called, alert box is called. Okay, let me add some console.log message as well, like the function call. Let me change the order. First display the console.log message, then shows the alert box. So see, this is the element section, this is the console section. So when you click on here, you will get the alert box as well as function call message in a console window. Okay, so that is executed properly. One more thing is that many time the developer is use the arrow function, or many time if the function code is very less, then directly write the code inside in here, like that. I directly use the arrow function in here. Okay, and inside that block I just pass the one alert, like hi. Okay, then that function is now this function is no use. Now see, save it. On click, here we call the one arrow function, and inside this we pass the alert message. So see, hi. Okay, this is the previous message. Let me clear it. Again click me, hi. There is no console message. Okay, so like this, a lot of a developer use the arrow function inside the event. Okay, you can also convert this normal function to arrow function as well. Const let okay, I will show you the difference in between the const, and I think you guys knows that because this is a JavaScript concept, difference in between the const, let and the var. Okay, so if you forget it, please revise it. So what are the similarities and what are the main difference in between the var and the let and the const. Okay, so this is the arrow function. Now this function is called in here. Let me test it, save it, click me, function call. Okay, then one more difference is, what is difference in between normal function and the arrow function. Okay, so normal function, arrow function is like you need to define the arrow function first whenever you want to call it, but normal function you can define in anywhere. This is the one difference in between normal function and arrow function. I think you will get I think you have to get the one interview question answer, difference in between normal function and arrow function. Okay, that's it. Let me test it some variables. For example, here I can define a one variable where my name equal to Nilesh. I want to replace this name in here, function call, comma, my name. Here is as well a comma, my name. Okay, let me save it. Click me, function call. For here display the Nilesh, but for in here in alert I think we need to use plus, yeah, function call Nilesh. Let me add one space. Plus is also used for the concatenation, and console.log comma or plus you can use it. Now test it. Function call Nilesh, function call Nilesh. Okay, so that's like this way we can use the variable, and on using this way we can test the button click event. Okay, so for this video we covered this thing. Now let me cover one more thing. For this video I am not asking any interview related question, but I will give you the one assignment question. Okay, we can pause this video and complete it. Let me show you the question. Go to, yeah, let me edit it. Yeah, so this is the challenge question. Yeah, so create the React application, then after that show the heading like that, say hello sir, good morning, but it display the good morning if time is between 1 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hello sir, good afternoon if it times in between 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. Hello sir, good night if 7 p.m. to midnight. So that message is displayed according to the system time. Okay, and I will add the one more thing in that the assignment. Yeah, apply the dynamic CSS color, for example green, orange, black, to different messages. Means that if it shows the good morning, then you can choose any color, afternoon choose another color, and for the midnight choose the another color, like that. Okay, so pause this video and let's try it. Try it on your own custom time. After completed the assignment, test the code, but I will show the solution of that challenge question in this current video. Okay, so let's start it. Let me create one more new project. Okay, new folder, 5.challenge question. Again I am just going to copy this thing in the challenge folder. Oh, I think node module is copied. Let me delete again. Copy, paste. Yeah, it's created. Now cd cd 5.challenge npmi to install all the libraries. Okay, npm start to start the server. Yeah, the server is started. Okay, go to the src app.js. So I just added I just repeat the one more time the question. Yeah, it shows the hello sir, good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depending on the current system time. Okay, so this is my app. First we do the all codes in a single file, then we can create a one more component. Okay, so in that app, first we need to find out the current date using the JavaScript. So const, let me find out the current hour. Okay, so new date. So new date basically find out the current system date. Okay, so inside that there is one built-in function get Rs to get the Rs, and let me print the R in a console for the testing purpose. So let me save it, go to here in inspect, in console. So on time of recording this video, my current R is the 19. So it's a 7 p.m. Okay, so R equal to 19. So let's test it. Okay, so I got the R's value. So depending on the R's value, it display the message. Okay, now let me add the if conditions and the one variable. So const so let greetings, by default there is no message. Okay, so let me test first. If R value is greater than equal to 1 and R value is less than 12, then on that time my greetings value is good morning. Okay, so same thing. Else if again let me test. If the R is greater than equal to 12 and R is less than 19, then on that time my greeting value is good afternoon. Okay, otherwise I think not required to use the if statement, because if the R is not goes to the first two if statement, then it's automatically goes to the last else statement. But if you want to write it, then you can write the if condition, last if condition. So it's not much more affected. Okay, so the last else message is the good night. So accordingly here we display the hello sir, and let me print the greeting message. So my current R value is the 19. So accordingly 19 it display the good night, right? Because it's not the less than 19, it's a greater than equal to 19. Let me save it. So hello sir, good night. So accordingly it display the message good night. So one thing is pending for this exercise. So dynamic CSS color. Okay, let me add one more variable. Let color value equal to single quote, and similarly color value is equal to red, color value is equal to you can choose any colors. Okay, green, then RGB, blue, RGB. Okay, blue color. So here I need to use our class name or the style. Let me test it. Class name, no, I need to add the style is equal to inside that color is equal to color value. Let me test it. So color value, color so yeah, So the double opening, double closing bracket is required if you write the style and if you have the some CSS related variables inside your the code, then on that time you need to write the code like this way. We have one more option. Let me show you. I think you got this one, right? In Goodnight it shows the blue color. Let me show you one more. Like for example, here is my the CSS class, like the let color value equal to not a color value, like the color style equal to, and inside that color equal to by default color is black. Okay, and let me edit color style dot color is equal to red. So like this way we have to edit it. So I define a one CSS related object. This is the one JavaScript object. Inside that, this is a key and the value. So this is my the object name, color style. So if you want to change the any object property, then you need to go to the object name dot property name equal to value. So like that I change this color, and here you need to directly add the color style here. Let me change the color. This one is orange for testing purpose. Save it. See, the orange color is there. So you can go like this way or first way, as your choice. So like this way we covered the challenging question. Okay, so in the next video we are going to discuss about the state with the functional component. We are introduce the state in a function. So we are going to start the use state hook in a next video and cover all related the concepts. So keep learning, keep watching. If you like this video or like this the playlist, please likes and subscribes to the many of your the friend circles. So keep watching. See you on next video. Bye bye.